In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an 80s film look in Lightroom Classic. The 80s were a time of iconic styles and unique aesthetics. And capturing that nostalgic film feel can bring a special mood to your photos. Let's dive into the process and refine your images step by step. We'll start by adjusting the exposure. The goal here is to ensure that your subject is well lit and looks just right. Play around with the exposure slider until you find the spot where your subject pops out without being overexposed or too dim. This is your foundation, so it's important to get it right. Next, let's move on to contrast. During the 80s, film often featured a unique blend of contrast, not as extreme as some modern digital photos. So, increase the contrast a bit to add some depth, but there's no need to push it too far. You'll want those blacks soft and gentle rather than harsh. Highlights are the next area we need to tackle. Film in the 80s rarely had extreme highlights, so dial them down slightly. This will help preserve the details in your image, especially in bright areas, and avoid that excessively blown-out look. Now, turn your attention to the shadows. You might want to raise them a little, or keep them moderate, depending on your scene. By doing this, you ensure that the details in the darker areas don't get lost. You may notice the blacks looking a little too intense, and we can adjust that later for a more faded appearance. Speaking of blacks, let's address blacks and whites specifically. For blacks, bring them up slightly. This slight lift gives your image a faded, vintage feel that's characteristic of the 80s film vibe. As for whites, adjust them carefully. Be cautious to avoid clipping, as preserving the subtlety in whites contributes to a more authentic film look. When it comes to vibrance and saturation, you can enhance that bold 80s feel by slightly increasing the vibrance. This intensifies the colors without making them overly saturated. For saturation, you might consider toning down certain colors just a touch. The aim is to achieve that classic boldness without crossing into the overly digital spectrum. Lastly, let's tweak the white balance. Introducing warmth into your images can echo the feel of film photos from the 80s. Alternatively, adjusting towards a subtle magenta or pink cast, depending on the mood you're aiming for, can further evoke that retro charm. With these adjustments, you're well on your way to achieving a nostalgic 80s film look within Lightroom Classic. Remember to keep the balance between boldness and subtlety, and most importantly, have fun experimenting with these settings to make them uniquely yours. Enjoy transforming your digital photos into timeless masterpieces that capture the essence of a past era.